Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2022 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a lovely 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the XTR Package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get some nice chrome accents on this vehicle, rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver, backup camera with a lovely hard folding tunnel cover. We do get the nice chrome rims, ripped running boards on either side, keyless entry keypad, blind spot detection, spotlight, turn light indicated, and side view camera. Moving to the front, we do get front park sensing, recovery hooks, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 6 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, floor mats, carpet interior, plenty of door space in the back, 6 additional seats just right there with outlets, cup holders, and we get a split folding rear bench seat. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, spotlights, tailgate, lights, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 72,423 kilometers. Got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel with toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control, digital speedometer, my view, trip and fuel, truck info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. To my right, we get cup holders, storage below, with your 6 additional seat with the storage below as well. Storage here with some outlets. You can even get a little hook there. Drive modes, 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, with dual climate, heated front seats, 12 volt, 120, storage above, below, on the dash, with a lovely powered rear window opener. We even get our lovely 360 view of the vehicle, where you can go for different camera angles, park sensing, hazards, and tractions. You got your audio here with AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM, phone controls, navigation, search, recent, saved will be in here. Have your audio open at the same time by going for different widgets. You got your fave app in here as well, such as messaging, email, zone lighting. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8359, and you can head on out to PG Ford or give us a call.